Want to stake your Polkadot safely using Ledger Nano? Here's how to do it step by step. First, make sure your Ledger Nano firmware is updated and you install the Polkadot app through Ledger Live. Open the Ledger Live, go to the Manager tab, and confirm the app installed on your device. Next, head to the Polkadot.js website and connect your ledger and select your DOT account from there. Choose the staking option and click Nominate. Pick up to 16 validators with good performance and low commission fees. This helps maximize your rewards. Then confirm the transaction on your Ledger Nano. Once confirmed, your DOT will be bonded and you'll start earning staking rewards directly into your Ledger account. Remember, you can unbond your DOT later, but there's usually a waiting period. That's it. Your Polkadot DOT is now staked securely with your Ledger Nano. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.